Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set email notifications in the Pinterest app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, then tap on notifications, then tap on by email, and here we have a list of notifications that we can receive through email, and we can select which one of these we want to receive and which one of these we don't want to receive. So for example, if we don't want to receive PIM performance updates, we can take this box off. Or if we don't want to receive notifications by followers and messages, we can take these off as well. But yeah, we can customize all of these, and we can turn off all of them just like this. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.